Welcome to our comprehensive guide on MyShopify. We'll explore its significance, how it works, and its pros and cons. This video is designed to help you understand if MyShopify is the right fit for your e-commerce business. MyShopify is a subdomain provided when you create a Shopify account. It allows over 1 million business owners worldwide to set up and manage their online stores efficiently. Using MyShopify as your live store address is possible, but it's recommended to buy a custom domain name. This enhances your brand's credibility and ensures a professional online presence. Trust is crucial when using MyShopify. While the platform itself is secure, always verify the legitimacy of individual stores. Scammers can operate on any domain, so exercise caution. MyShopify is excellent for testing your store's front end and back end. However, for a serious online business, a custom domain name is essential to build trust and improve SEO. Using MyShopify can confuse customers and harm your brand identity. It's often perceived as untrustworthy, which can lead to a drop in visitors and negatively impact your SEO. Despite its drawbacks, MyShopify is useful for testing and initial setup. It allows you to publish content and identify potential challenges before moving to a custom domain. Thank you for watching our guide on MyShopify. We hope this information helps you make an informed decision for your e-commerce business. For more support, consider using Kommunicate to automate your customer service.